Fellow content creators, have you ever sat there, frozen, scratching your head and praying for some inspiration for your next YouTube video? Sometimes it's tough and you just don't know where to start. Well, if you need help generating a truckload of YouTube video ideas, then this video is for you. We're going to kick indecisiveness in the balls, and in just a few minutes you will have multiple strategies to create a conveyor belt of content. Make sure you stick to the end, as I'm going to teach you what I call the money-making video content machine for those of you looking to make some passive income from your YouTube channel too. Let's dive right in, and remember, if there's anything that you like in this video, consider giving those like and subscribe buttons a little tickle, as they really like it. The first strategy for generating YouTube video ideas is the alphabet soup method, and you will keep circling back to this one. So consider this: YouTube is the second largest search engine, and it's also conveniently owned by the first largest, which is Google. So what you should realise is that the way YouTube is set up is to provide relevant videos to the viewer in the fastest way possible. It's all about the user experience. Alphabet Soup starts where you brainstorm some search terms that people would use to find videos in your niche or subject. So let's say that you were in the lucrative make money online niche. You would type how to make money on, and look, lo and behold, the magic YouTube genie is giving you video ideas automatically. Write down the best ones and then try other searches too. If you want to narrow it down even more, type the letter A. Look at the suggestions. Delete it and type B, and then C, and so on. The second technique is linked closely to this, and it's the suggested video strategy. First, open a new browser in incognito mode. We don't want our search history to affect what it shows us, so this is like searching YouTube as a brand new viewer. Run an appropriate search. Let's say, how to make pancakes. Look at the top results and pick a popular video. Once that video loads, hit the pause button, and we want to look on the right hand side at the suggested videos. What patterns do you see? Any keywords that come up time and time again? You can either use these titles direct, or you can then run the term through the alphabet soup method if you want to get even more specific. So as you can see with this example, we see the words fluffy pancakes, easy pancakes, and then specific flavours like banana, buttermilk, blueberry. These are clearly the videos that pancake lovers like, so brainstorm more around them keywords. Third on the list isn't even a strategy. It's a freaking awesome super-powered Chrome extension, and yes, you're right. A grown man in his 40s should not be getting excited about Chrome extensions, but hey, I live a pretty rock and roll life. TubeBuddy is an extension that you can download for free on Google Chrome. It's got a paid version too with some pretty good features, but even the free version will help us here. So you know the drill. Search for something relevant to your own channel. For this example, let's pretend that we are awesome artists and we're going to search for how to draw a unicorn. Now look at this info that TubeBuddy gives us. Almost 1 million people a month search for that exact search term, so it's pretty popular. But there is a catch. This competition score shows that there are some big channels that have got great videos in these results, and it's going to be hard to rank. Now you've got two options here. One is to throw caution to the wind, punch fear in the face, and create that video anyway. Every now and then the little guy comes out the winner. Or option two, narrow it down a little. We can do this by looking at the suggested terms that TubeBuddy gives us. In this case, instead of how to draw a unicorn, we could use how to draw a unicorn cake step by step. That would be a much better option if you're a smaller channel. Now this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to all of the awesome things that TubeBuddy can do. If you want to try it for free, then I'll put the link on screen and in the description. Go check it out. Now in a moment, I'm going to reveal all with the money-making video content machine. But first, let's look at strategy 4, which is the copycat cheat code, where you quite simply look at what is working for others and create your own version. Now I see big channels do this all of the time. Check this out. Dave Nick has a big channel in the make money niche. He's very good at what he does. If we sort his videos by the most popular, you'll see that he's got a couple of huge videos based on making money by watching YouTube videos. So ignore the numbers that he uses, the $800, the $500, they're just to improve the titles and get you to click. Instead, let's search for the main phrase, make money watching YouTube videos. Now, as you can see, there are lots of people trying to smash this particular phrase. What tends to happen is one person will have a big video and then everyone in that niche will take a shot at it too. So here's what you do. You go research channels in your niche, big ones, medium-sized ones, and you look at the most popular videos. Now create a video of your own. Don't rip them off, don't copy word for word like some channels do, just be cool. Create your own version and add the only thing that can distinguish your video from anyone else's, you. Last one for today is the money-making video content machine that I've been promising you. Now how this works is we're going to find a good product or service that people love and need. It could be something like software or a physical product like a camera, a phone or a cuddly toy. Now we're going to use affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend products and services in exchange for a commission if someone buys them using your unique web link. This is a multi-billion-dollar industry and one of the most popular ways to make money online. As an example, if it's on Amazon, then you can apply to be an affiliate and promote it. And let's face it, everything and its dog is on Amazon. So what you do next is you think of videos based on that product. Now, we don't want videos on how to use the product, as that would only really apply to people who have already bought it. Instead, we want to focus on people thinking of buying the product. So let's use a phone as an example. Think about questions people ask when they're looking for a phone. What's the best phone for photography? What's the best phone for Call of Duty Mobile? What phone should I buy for gaming? Which phone is best for vlogging under $1,500? Or you could create comparison videos where you compare one phone to another. The important part, remember, in each video, use the description box to leave your affiliate links. If someone uses that link, then you make some money. If you'd like to learn more about affiliate marketing and how you can use it to earn an additional income stream on YouTube or any other social media platform, then check out the description where I'm going to leave some free training. And not only that, the next video on screen now will be a huge help to you. See you next time.